Hello everyone, it is Caitlin and today we are cooking breakfast in 1827.
Alright, I'm so not motivated to get dressed.
They're not right now.
And this fine.
I'm just going to get this on the fire so the apples start to cook. And then we can get dressed.
Yeah.
And then we can do bacon eggs, or not ham eggs, and
I'm gonna warm up a little bit, honestly, and just like, I mean, I've warmed up a little bit.
Yeah.
So that's good. My feet are so cold though, and I've got 2 stockings on, 2 layers, and it's so cold.
That's not a good sign. I mean, up until about 5 minutes ago, I could still see my breath in this room.
It's been cold. I haven't looked at the temperature, but I needed to look, but I was kind of afraid to make me feel colder.
Well, it's cold enough to see your breath in the house, so.
So how many videos have you made? Because I haven't seen all of them. I've seen all the 1830s.
It's been once a week for 2 years now. Because I think this week is my 2-year anniversary.
Oh, you need to do something.
I didn't think about that.
You know what? You need to be like every other YouTuber and do a Q&A.
I think I should get a few more than 500 subscribers before I do that. I think that's going to be my...
Well, no, I mean, tell about your personal...
Yeah.
Like, you know, like your teacher. And,
yeah.
You know, do a few things like that.
Maybe I'll do that for, like, when I get 1,000 subscribers.
Oh my gosh. Oh, that looks so nice and neat. I forgot you had that.
Oh, yeah. And we're almost done with the apples and we can get dressed. Got the cinnamon, the sugar, the water, and the apples and the lemon peel.
Oh my gosh.
The engraving on the front is not period. The people. But,
That's so cute.
okay,
It's only if you look closely.
it's steaming, it's not piping hot. What do you want to do?
I mean, if it's just, I mean, I don't drink it piping hot, honestly.
Okay.
So, I mean, as long as it's not lukewarm, you know what I mean?
No, it's hot.
It hard. Oh no.
The sugar came
Oh, sugar.
Is this the Earl Grey or the Lady
Both
Grey?
of it. It's all Earl Grey.
Okay.
Yeah. Because Lady Grey's not technically here. See who's out. Oh, I think we have 2 little girls who are coming. Oh my god, and she's got a little red cape. Oh, she's adorable. Good morning, girl.
We're gonna need to kick him out while we get dressed, though.
Hey, my precious.
The little one's Georgiana.
I'm gonna get arrested for kidnapping her.
Georgie's
Kill me out.
How many teaspoons of tea do you think?
Good morning. Don't y'all just look cute today.
Yeah, why don't you come do this? Because I actually don't know how much tea to put in. So I put in probably far too much.
She was good at making it that day.
Yeah.
If she remembers what she did.
There's a little bit in there, but here's a spoon.
Oh dear Lord, it got all over into the tea. Oh well.
Oh, we'll have to clean that out later. And this comes out, right? So you can just dump it out later. Here's your little sewing box.
See, I took it. But my gloves don't.
Oh, you got that? Okay. Go ahead and put it on the bench, sweetheart.
I found you last night.
Yes, you did see me last night, and I saw you last night.
I wanted to go say hi, but they were still recording, and I didn't want to, like, mess anything up, so
Yeah.
I didn't go in.
Alright, she's making videos. You know how she makes videos on YouTube?
No.
Oh, yeah, we put them on the women's page your dad is on.
I know. He showed me the pictures. They
Oh, okay, yep. Just have him go to the page and he can find those or go to YouTube. Search for her name.
Don't pour too much tea or else it'll explode.
It'll get too big.
Georgie,
All right.
do you like tea? Yeah? With lots of sugar? I bet you do. We're gonna...
And we'll need to cut a couple of slices for lunch.
Is that a good ham?
I think this is a fine ham. You do good. Three.
I'm gonna get a picture of me from my angle of the shadow. That is just too cute. I'm just gonna keep the milk over here. So, do you want to do scrambled eggs? It would be easier.
Yes, this one.
Okay. So if you need milk, it's in here.
Okay,
I'm gonna
excellent.
put this in the trash. I also did bring some lemonade.
Oh, that'd be nice.
Pick me up. It was definitely a great blanket coming up.
I had like 8 on me and I was still cold.
Mine are pretty thick, but like yours.
Well, 3 of mine were wool.
But yours are fabric, right? Like fabric.
Yeah, one of them is a coat. 2 of them are coat weight.
Oh.
Peggy got to bed. I almost did because I was freezing all night
I
long.
asked her, I said, you want to crawl into bed with me? She was like, no, I'm good. I'm like, no, I'm
It was
serious.
like 30 minutes before we got up. If it,
on the floor?
if it had been earlier,
She's Cinderella.
I will be sleeping on the floor tonight because I'm going to sleep near this fire and I'm going to keep it going all night long. I had a cot too. but
Well, I
it's
offered
still not
her
really good.
I have a down comforter that's like 15, 20 years old, and my mom had it, and she gave it to me. It's wheeled down. It's not the big stuff. I washed it in a professional washing machine dryer and everything. It's super clean. I offered it to her, and I should have known that. Nah, don't bother bringing it.
Because I am cold natured and I'm cold if it's 90. So I wear sweaters in the summer when
It would have been very nice.
So my brain did not process. I probably should have said yes to that offer.